Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to install the Power BI application. Okay, so let's get started. So first what we'll do is we'll go to google.com and here we'll type Power BI desktop download. Okay, so here you have to search Power BI desktop download. So once you search Power BI desktop download, here you can see the third option, Power BI desktop hyphen interactive reports. You click on this particular link, it will redirect to, it will go to that particular website. So here you can see go from data to insight to action with Power BI desktop. Okay, so Power BI is one of the most preferred visualization tool nowadays when it comes to data science analytics. So especially in the field of data science, if you know just Python, machine learning, deep learning, you cannot become a data scientist. So nowadays almost all the companies are preferring the visualization application, especially Power BI or Tableau is a must. Whether if you want to become a data analyst or data scientist, or if you want to become a business analyst, or if you want to enter into data analytics, or if you want to become any role which is related to data science, Power BI or a Tableau is a must. And along with that, SQL is also very much important preferred skill along with Power BI or Tableau. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll try to see how to install the Power BI application. First we'll try to download it, then once we download, then we'll try to install the Power BI application. Okay, so if you are targeting for any data science role, so don't ever miss to learn Power BI application. So let me tell you one thing, guys. Okay, I will tell you 4 important skills. If you know these 4 important skills, you can rule the data science industry. Okay, so the first skill is Python, and the second skill is SQL, and the third skill is machine learning, and the fourth skill is Microsoft Excel. Okay, so if you know these 4 skills, you can definitely enter into data science domain, and you can definitely target your data science role. Okay, so try to focus mainly on these 4 skills. Okay, and along with this, try to have some basic knowledge on statistics. That is also very much important if you are specifically targeting a data scientist. Okay, but if you know Tableau or Power BI, then Python, then if you know SQL, and if you know Microsoft Excel, this is more than enough in order to become a data scientist, or sorry, data analyst or a business analyst. Okay, so try to target first a primary role like a business analyst or a data analyst, then try to gain some experience, try to gain some kind of knowledge, try to explore the role, then automatically you can target a data scientist role. Okay, so apart from data scientist, if you are targeting a data engineering role, that is also fine. If you want to become a data engineer, try to focus on some of the ETL tools. Along with that, try to learn Python, SQL, then try to learn Spark, PySpark, Hadoop and all. Okay, so those things, that is completely different. But if you know Power BI, and if you know Python, SQL and Microsoft Excel, this is more than enough if you want to become a data analyst or a business analyst. Okay, so only if you know Power BI also you can become a business analyst, or you can become a Power BI developer. Okay, so visualization is a must and should skill if you are targeting a analytics field. Okay, so we'll try to see how to install it. You can just click on this download free option. So it's a quite a big file, guys. So we'll click on this open Microsoft Store option. So here I'm showing with respect to the Windows, guys. Okay, if you are having the other operating system like other operating system. Okay, if you are using a MacBook, or if you are using a Apple laptop, okay, that is completely different. Okay, so here I am showing with respect to Windows. We'll just click. So once you click on this particular option, download free option, it will take you to this particular window. So here you can see Microsoft Store. Okay, and here there is an option to install. Just click on that particular option. So once you click on that install, it will show downloading. So sit back and relax for a few minutes until it completely downloads. See, one of the most advantage for the people who are in software industry, or if you are a software engineer, so whenever you are trying to install any software, especially if it's a big software, you will have some kind of time. You can sit back and relax whenever you are trying to download any big file, or you are trying to install any software, or whenever you are trying to train the model. So that time you can sit back and relax. So I think it's already downloaded. It was more than 600 MB. I will just click on this particular option, open. So finally the Power BI application has been downloaded and it has been installed. Yes. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.